Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You have been sent cPanel access on your email. After using this information, you will get an interface like that. Okay. After coming here, you will search here email. Then you will get email accounts. After clicking here, you are getting to get a new interface. It's very simple and easy. Click here, create. Suppose you would like to make an email address of something @goldbell.com. After selecting goldbell.com, you will write here. Suppose you will write here info or admin or chairman. It's totally up to you. Since I am making testing, that's why I am writing testing@goldbellbd.com. Password. After clicking here, you will get a password. You can use it, or if you would like to use, up to you what you want to use it, like A B C Jewel Gold 25. It's your email address, but it's my request to use generating password. Suppose there is nothing to do, it's enough. After using this information, you will click create. That means your email address has been created. Now how will you use it? At first you have to go to Google and write www.goldbellbd.com/webmail. After getting an interface, you will use here what we wrote as email, like testing. You can check testing@goldbellbd.com, and password what you created. After that, you have to click login. Wow, great, it has already been opened. And click here to always open in round cube system. Open, it's your email address. Okay, fine. After using, definitely you will click here to log out. Fine. Now if you would like to delete it, how will you do it? It's pretty simple and easy. At first you have to log in cPanel and search email here, email accounts. Then you will get all kinds of emails here. Manage. If you would like to change username or password, you can do it here, or you would like to delete this email, delete email account, delete. That means this email has been deleted. Since I created it first time, no need to delete it. If you would like to delete it, you can delete it by clicking here. Okay, I hope you can do it very easily. If you face any problem, you can knock me. I am always here to help you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.